friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be sharing a new recipe of Soya Keema Matar. You can have it with roti, naan, paratha or even rice also. So let's get started. First bring some water to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, add soya granules to this boiled water. Now cover it and boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now bring out the boiled soya granules and squeeze the excess water from it. Now take one sliced onion, half an inch of ginger, 5 to 6 garlics, 2 green chilies into a chopper. Now add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil into a hot saucepan. After that, add 1 cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom and some cumin seeds. After few seconds, add the chopped onion, garlic, ginger, chili mixture. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce extra moisture from the mixture. Cover it for 5 minutes and then again cook the mixture for few minutes. Add 1 big chopped tomato. Mash it properly and cook it for few minutes. Now cover it and let it cook. Now add salt per taste. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 1.5 teaspoon of keema powder and half teaspoon of sugar. Mix it properly so that all spices get cooked very well. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Keep stirring so that masala doesn't get burned. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add green peas into this. Stir it again so that green peas get cooked well. After few minutes, add the boiled soya granules into the masala. Cover it for 2 minutes again. Now add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it very well. After a few minutes, add little bit of water so that it doesn't get dried. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes more. Now serve it in a serving karai. Now for tempering, take 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Add sliced ginger and some sliced green chilies. Now add red chili powder after taking off the tempering from the gas oven so that it doesn't get burnt. And pour it onto the Soya Keema Matar. Now sprinkle some chopped coriander for garnishing. And your Soya Keema Matar is ready. Let's enjoy! If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And give your valuable suggestion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.